Hi there, my name is Luca and I'm the co-founder of Nativevideo, a Salesforce App Exchange solution created to enable businesses and people connect in a whole new way through video. As mentioned last week in our weekly video, this week's video is dedicated to business development. Business development means connecting for the first time with a cold prospect or maybe with someone that has shown an interest in what you do, maybe attending an event that you've organized or downloading a white paper. So this video will double up as a demo, as a quick demo, because I'm actually recording my screen as I do this. So you want to create a video message so that you can engage with John Prospect. And the way to do it is after you installed Nativevideo, of course, you want to go here and click on Send a Video Email. This will open up this window and it gives you a few options to record your video or maybe record your screen. So this is where you record a personalized video message. And the personalized video message to John will go something probably like this. You'll be, "Hi, John, how are you? Thank you for downloading our white paper. It will be great to connect next week for a quick 15 minutes call to talk about the insights from the white paper. I hope to hear from you very soon." So you'll probably create something like this. You'll then maybe choose a thumbnail out of these ones. Once you've selected everything, the video will upload and you'll go to the next step, which is creating the email that goes out with the video. And you can choose from a template that you've pre-created natively, once again, within Salesforce, or you can type your own email here. You can add people in CC or BCC and a call to action URL that will appear at the end of the video when the video has played. A lot of our clients use that as their calendar, sharing their calendar. So now your job is done as a business development representative, and this is what your prospect will receive. So they will receive an email with some branding added, which is all manageable natively within Salesforce, and also a big, and as maybe most importantly, a thumbnail with a big play button on it. By clicking on it, you'll end up here, which is the page where the video can be actually played. So your prospect will play the video and will be very, very connected to you. It will go all the way to the end, and this is the link to your page. I'm skipping a lot of passages here, but the last thing that I want to show you is how Salesforce is then capable of natively capturing stats that are related to opening the email, looking at the page, the landing page, playing the video, and playing the video till the end. And because we played the video until the end and we've added a trigger event, we will be notified that someone has been watching our John Prospect person has been watching the video all the way until the end. So in this quick demo, hopefully I showed you how to create a very compelling piece of content through video, putting your face in it, showing up and making a difference and making the most of the opportunity that you have to engage with a cold prospect in a business development environment. If you want to know more or you want a personalized demo, please get in touch, respond to this message here, or get in touch directly by visiting our website, nativevideo.co. Thank you very much.